Somebody just crawl on me and needing attention so bad. I wonder who? Huh? Milo? You wanting attention? Nobody been rubbing you lately? Yeah, Mommy went got married, that's why. Huh. It's okay, now you got Daddy. Now you got two people gonna be rubbing you soon.
Really? I got Mommy and Daddy? And Mommy went got married? Didn't tell me? Oh goodness, why? Why she did not tell me? Yep, Milo, so Alma will be here, cat sitting for a week. Oh, Sus, let me hurry up and clean you up because Alma's gonna be here for a week. We don't want you to be smelling like that, okay?
Yeah.
Let me just clean you up.
Okay, but you gotta take it easy now. You better not be biting me, if not I'm gonna walk away. You always like to bite my little ears.
Oh, Milo, you're so good. Look at you. You're so good to your brother. Yeah, clean him up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he can't groom himself. Good job, Milo. Such a good boy. Huh? Sus, look who's making biscuit. Huh? Sus, you gonna come make biscuit? Huh? Look who's making biscuit.
I wonder what biscuit is she talking about. I need to knead on her belly because she's been eating too much while she's here. You know, we gotta get an ab workout. Maybe massaging it will make it smaller.
Oh man, you kneading on my belly?
Alma, can you take a little advice from me? Stop eating those cronuts and those croissants that you like over here. Right, Sus?
Yes.
You hear that, Alma? You hear that from me and Sus? Stop eating those cronuts. I can't help but just knead on this belly.
Yes, Alma. Please stop. Because we can't be kneading on that belly all the time. It's a lot of work.
Yeah, knead on that biscuit. Knead on that biscuit. Make that biscuit. Yes, Milo, knead on that biscuit. Next time you need to tell me so I could be on my belly so you can massage my back instead. Huh? That is cat labor. No way! There is cat labor law in New York. You know that, Alma, right? Good morning, Alma. Good morning. It's 6 o'clock. Time to have breakfast. Good morning. Come on, wake up.
What you want?
Breakfast.
What you want?
I said breakfast.
This is every morning. My cat alarm. And the other one's over there.
Well, Sus, looks like Alma's not gonna get up. Mommy feeds us at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 6 and we have not been eating breakfast yet. We are gonna die, Sus. We are gonna die.
Milo is so dramatic. See, Alma's feeding me. I'm not gonna die.
Okay.
She's feeding me just like how Mommy feeds me.
Here.
Thank you, Alma.
This is how Amy feeds Sus. So now I gotta do it. Huh, Sus? His face is so flat he can't eat. You gotta scoop it up for him. Huh, Sus?
Thank you, Alma. I appreciate you doing this for feeding me like this. See, Milo, we ain't gonna die. It won't be so bad after all.
Huh? Yeah? You just love to be held like a baby. Huh?
Yep, because I I'm a baby. Always a baby.
Oh. Look. What? What are you thinking?
Well, if you hold me like this all day,
Nothing.
it's not so
Nothing.
bad after all. I love being cuddled.
What's the matter?
I'm a very needy cat if you don't know that, Amma.
You wanna kiss me?
Downsize it because if they took that money and put it towards their debt, they would save years to become debt.
You better not bite me. You better not bite me hard. What you need? Huh? You need something? You want me to pick you up? Say please. You want me to pick you up? Say please. Okay, I'll pick you up, even without a please. Huh? I'll pick you up.